All right, guys, so to our second job. Cold day today. I mean, it's like the weather is separated. It's nice where I just came from. We're only about 5 miles away. But anyway, we're gonna be doing this carpet here, and it's just saturated with urine everywhere. So it's really gonna be a big waste of time to see, I don't even have to bring out the light to just kind of spot all these individually with my deodorizer, and my stain removal product and pre-spray. So I kind of make a cocktail. I'm mixing everything together. So I got my pre-sprays. I'm not using enzymes. Okay. I got my stain removal, Go Oxy, and I got my Sager size. So I put in 12 ounces per gallon of this. I put in 4 ounces per gallon of that, and I got a nice green solution now, and carpet detail. So this is going to take care of everything all at once. Okay. So it's not going to be any extra time really. Pre-spray, agitation, and looking beautiful when we're done.
What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be.
A little bit of color there. Customer's gonna meet us here. Just told us to come on in and get started. So I'll let her know about the color situation, stuff like that. Smells really good, this eucalyptus. I actually was using way too much of this stuff when I'm doing pet deodorization and stuff like that. I was using way too much of it. I was doing like a third, 1 part, 2 parts water, 1 part solution, 2 parts water, and it just wasn't necessary. So it makes me like this product even more. Sager side eucalyptus. Smells really good. Actually got a great review just because of the smell last week. So I'm gonna go overall real quick, and then I'm gonna go back to those dark areas and saturate it a lot better. Carpet cleaning can be really hard. It can be really easy if you got your solutions down, your chemistry. And just once you get to know what you're doing and get a good routine down, carpet cleaning is pretty easy. Of course, it helps when you got help. Makes things go a little quicker. But when your battery just dies on you like that. My battery just died on me. Okay, stay tuned. There we go. So now I'm going to go back and hit these areas really good. And then just agitate as normal. As you can tell, everything's disappearing just with the pre-spray. So that's what the peroxide in this is going to do. Don't use this stuff on wool. I'm not using enzymes anymore. It kind of really gets in the way of the processed products. I do have some enzymes though. I do keep woolzyme on my van for wool, because you can't use peroxide for wool. They're not going to do this room, so we're just going to clean that up to here. So the whole place smells great now. It doesn't smell like urine. When we walked in here, it smelled like urine. And it looks like I mixed just the right amount. Real quick guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course below all my videos in a link. How to start a carpet cleaning business, not only the technical side, but how to get people to call you, the business side. Alright, and if you like any of the tools I use, also below all the videos that I post. Back to the video. Alright, so that's it for this one. So that was a scenario to where there's pet stains and all throughout the carpet. That's what you can do, mix up a cocktail. But make sure your chemistries don't interact with each other. So no peroxide with enzymes. Put some deodorizer in there and you got some easy cleaning. Customer was super happy, she just showed up. About to give her some shoe covers and call this one a wrap. So way out here in the country, beautiful. Took about 15-20 minutes to get out here, but yeah, it's all about scenery out here. All right, see you in the next one.